welcome back to my channel. I am 25, feeling fine. It has been my birthday, as you guys know, and everyone wanted like a birthday kind of haul, and I did receive a present today from Cerise1307 that I thought I would open on camera, and I also thought I would do a wee birthday haul. So I guess I'll just kind of delve into it. So it was my birthday last week, July the 11th. Happy birthday to anyone in July. And it was my birthday. So I haven't received all my presents yet. I'm getting a present from my mum later on. So what I got from my boyfriend was this Velociraptor dinosaur. Now, I absolutely adore dinosaurs. As you guys know, Jurassic Park, I found this for my birthday. This is my birthday shirt. I'm so stoked. You can't buy Jurassic Park stuff anymore from a shop, and it was only $10, and I was like, yes, I'm gonna buy this. So I bought that for myself, got my dinosaur from my boyfriend. He also got me a book and some like toiletry stuff and like a dinosaur costume that fits a child. So it's a bit funny. And then I also brought for myself this beautiful mustard jacket, which is on my Instagram. I love it. I brought that for myself because I was like, why not? Self-indulgence. One of my very good friends, Haley, brought me this locket, and it is a little shell necklace. Now, as you guys know, I have tattoos, and one of my tattoos is a shell there. And me, her, and my friend Claudia all got mermaid tattoos. I got the shell, she got a wave, and Claudia got like the ship's wheel. So she got me this for my birthday, so it was very, very special. My friend Claudia also got me this Be More Mermaid little bag, which is so cute. She got me a red glitter flip. As you guys know, I love these things, and they're finally getting sold in New Zealand. So she got me a red glitter flip. And then also this Too Faced Festival Refresh setting spray, which I'm so excited about. I'm like, yes. And it's like all iridescent and pretty, and I just freaking love it. It's so cute. And it smells like lollies. Like the smell I cannot even describe. It smells so freaking good. And then my friend Talia got me a whole bunch of stuff. She got me eggplant socks, which were on my birthday, pajamas. She got me a whole bunch of little things, like earrings, that kind of thing. I loved them. They were amazing. She got me these little earrings here, a little star and a moon. She got me 1,000 other stuff. Me and her always like just buy little stupid shit for each other, and it's so fun opening. It's like 1,000 presents. It's so great. And then she also got me like more earrings, some makeup that I'm going to do some videos on, some really cool like eyeliners, that kind of thing, so I'm really excited for those. And then my friends Sydney and Caitlin from my work got me this beautiful like cupcake set. There's another thing Talia got me, like an air freshener, so just weird shit. And then it's like a cooking set, because you know I just bought a house, so it's kind of like a housewarming gift, and I've always loved these things, so I'm so excited. Like just a whole bunch of cute stuff like that, which I love. My friend Tessa got me a cheese set. My friend Carly got me this Body Shop amazing like stuff to clean myself, and I'm gonna clean myself and think of you. I also got some money. I got this little green rabbit from my friends Lou and Tom, and they also got me a little like hippo I can put outside, vase for fake flowers, and a dogger bowl for Ralph, which I know is so super cute, and I'm so thankful. And then a whole bunch of like wine and some gift vouchers from a few of Mitch's friends, and honestly I just feel so blessed. It's so lovely. So my friend Haley got me this mango body spray, which is so pretty. It's so nice. I freaking love this. It just smells like the mangoes. It's so beautiful. And then my friend Tally got me the Britney Spears Fantasy. I love Britney Spears. I love all my perfumes. I put them in a pile. Like Tally pretty much got me all of my perfumes. So a whole bunch of perfumes. And then I'm trying to think what else I got. A whole bunch of other stuff. Claudia actually got me another lipstick of the Too Faced Mermaid Tears, which I have done a review on, which is not up yet because I'm really slack with posting them, because you guys have been requesting other ones, so I'm doing them first. And she's going to exchange it for something else, so that's another present that is coming. And then my mum's present is going to be coming later, and then my little sister's present for me, my older sister's present for me is going to be coming later. So this is just a little amount of the presents that I have. So I might do an updated version later if you guys want, or I might even add it to the end of this video. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, let's get on to Grace's present here. So I am so freaking excited. I'm like, oh my god. I'm so ready to open this. Oh my god, it's so well packaged. So I got up this morning, I had work, and then went outside and I saw that this package was sitting there and I was like, are you kidding me? Like, ugh. I'm like, well, she asked for my new address and I was like, okay. And then I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, first of all, let me see in this package. So I ripped open the bag, it was a big bag. And there's this cute little bow. So I'm like, let me put this in my hair. So I got my bow in my hair now. Alright, and then what do we have here? It looks like a giant bear. It's a Build-A-Bear. Oh my god, I saw on Instagram that she made a Build-A-Bear and I've always wanted a Build-A-Bear, and it says Build-A-Bear workshop made with Cerise. And it's the little Build-A-Bear, so she got to make a little Build-A-Bear. How cute is that? That is so cute. Oh my god, I love this so much. Oh my god, I love this so much. This is amazing. Oh my god. And there's like more stuff in here. What the hell? Okay. Oh my god, I'm speechless. I love soft toys. They're like my favorite thing. And like, we don't have Build-A-Bears in New Zealand, so that is like, the novelty of that is so cute. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of like, let's pull the Build-A-Bear box thing out first. There's a whole bunch of other stuff down there. So this is pretty much like, I think this is a little house for him. Oh my god, Grace, this is amazing. Thank you. Oh my, yes, it's a little like, little box for him to live in. Oh my god, this is so cute. I can't. Yes, look, and it like, oh, it's a little house for him to live in. That is so cute. Oh my god, look. That is so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to display this in my beauty room. I've got some other toys that she's given me in my last like present haul from her. Like, as you know, I love that stuff. Okay, what's in here? I hope I didn't break it. Because I'm like, there's no card or anything, so maybe this is a card? It's a letter. Ah, I need to make sure I get this letter out properly and don't hurt it. Oh my god. Oh, it does have a name. Oh my god. Okay, so the letter here starts here. Oh my god. Cerise, hey girl, long time no talk world. I hope all is well. Well, I made you a Build-A-Bear today and I hope you like her. I named her Daisy, but you can change the name if you would like. For some reason I was really drawn to her. I guess it is because she is so darn cute. I'm sorry I didn't get any clothing for her. It was so expensive, but I do have a little pink bow for her. Oh, this is for her. Oh, sorry, Daisy. Oh my god, she does have a name, guys. We don't need to name her. Her name's Daisy. Oh my god. Anyways, thank you for suggesting a Build-A-Bear vlog. That was so fun. I wasn't sure if they had Build-A-Bear in New Zealand, so I decided to adopt one for you. I hope you like her. I also included a few other little goodies in the package as well. Love you, girly. Love, Grace. Oh my god, I love that. I'm like, where on the wall can I put it? Like, can I put it here? Can I put it over here? I need to frame this and stick it on the wall now. I've also got one of her other pictures framed that she made for me, and it's amazing, and I've just got it sitting on my editing desk so I see it all the time. And here is the certificate here. So it was made on July the 9th, so her birthday is nearly the same as mine. And her name is Daisy. She's 15 inches, 7 ounces, not 17 ounces. Oh, eye color brown, fur color light brown, belongs to Cerise from Grace. I love this so much, Grace. I'm like, oh yeah, this is a cute birthday haul. And then I'm like, oh my god, it's a Build-A-Bear. I'm so happy. And then there's a whole bunch of stuff down here. So what do we have here? A little bag that says lifestyle, what sunshine is to flowers, smiles are to humanity. And it's a cute little bag. Oh my god, I'm so overwhelmed. Oh my god, it's a whole bunch of squishies. Okay, so what Grace has is like a little thing where she sells these squishies, and these obviously attach to your phone. Oh my god. I don't have an iPhone jack. My whole, wait. I don't have a phone jack in my phone because it's a iPhone 7, but this is like, look, it's just like squishy and amazing, and oh my god, I love it. And there's like a million in here. I'm so excited. So this is a little like macaroon, maybe? A little like macaroon. And then we have, oh my god, like a little cake. Okay. It's like a little like, it says eat me, it's like a little biscuit. Oh, I like that. Oh, it is, look how like small you could squish it. And then it's just, it's just expanding out. Oh my god, I need to make a video of just squishing these squishies and then expanding them out. And then, oh my god, this is an egg. Oh my god. This is like a wee egg. It's just like an egg. That's so cute. I like how some of these are, oh, here's another one of those meringue thingies. I like how some of them are just like, you know, key rings to put on things. Like, that's really cute. Like, I really like that idea. Like, these are actually so cute. This is like a little like onion. Like, look at him. He's just so cute. I'm like, I love this. And then this is like a little, just like all kinds of like candies and stuff. Oh my god, I love these. Oh my god, the donut. Yes, that donut is amazing. And then there's a little heart donut with sprinkles. I need to like pull that out to like show you guys a bit better so you can see. Oh my god, he's so cute. And then two more. I have a half-eaten round thingy, and then another little squishy. That's right there. Oh my god. Well, thank you so much, guys. I love her. Oh, Daisy, I love her. She's so cute. And the bow's for her, so I better take that out. I'm like, I freaking love that. That's so cute. Look how cute. I love her. I love this. This is amazing. Oh my god, I've never had a Build-A-Bear, so I'm just amazed. So yeah, I guess what I'll do now is I'll wait for my mum to give me her presents and everything, and I'll put it all together. This is why this video is a bit later, because I'm putting it all together. But yeah, that's me unboxing that one. I'm trying to think if I had any other gift. Blah. It's my birthday presents, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so happy. And then also there's all the stuff that Janine got me in my birthday unboxing video. I'll link that down below because it was part of my birthday present, which I got so much earlier to use. So I am excited for that. Alrighty, so I just went out for dinner, so that's why I have a change of lipstick. I have a jersey on. So I have my beautiful Build-A-Bear here from Grace, and then from my mum I got a few items. I got some like chocolates, that kind of thing, and then she got me my favorite skin cream, which is the Garnier Skin Active Rose Water Stay Cream, which is like my fave. And then she got me some body cream as well. And then she got me this really cute like marble tree trinket tray, which I think is so beautiful. Like, it's so cute and would be a really good weapon if you wanted to like murder someone, like, you know, just if you get an intruder in your house. So this is really cute. Like, I feel like it would be real good to hang all my hair ties from, because I have so many hair ties that I can never find and it can fit like right by my knitting thing. So I'm like really excited to do that. So I'm like, yay, thank you. And then also she got me this marble trinket tray. So you can see there, it's got compartments and it's marble, and it's got a mirror, and the mirror sits inside like that. So I'm excited to put all of like my septum rings in there and all my other jewelry, and I can display it up here as well. So I'm like super excited about that. She also got me this ring here. So this ring here, and it's got a star and a diamond there, and she said it's because every star deserves a diamond. So I was like, oh, that's beautiful. So it's a very pretty ring. She also got me this ring last year for, no, 2 Christmases ago. It's a signet ring with a pink. And then she also got me, which I think is amazing, is this Barbie. Now I know this sounds really weird, but it looks just like me. And I always say to her, like, I really wish that she'd brought, like, I really wish someone had brought me a Barbie, because all my Barbies I had when I was younger was like hand-me-downs. And then I remember the one Barbie that I got, like brand new, was like from my like real dad, and my real dad is a piece of shit. That just goes to say something. But anyway, for my 5th birthday 20 years ago, he got me a Barbie, and so my mom's getting me a Barbie this year, and it's honestly so beautiful. It is a mermaid. I really want to take it out of the packet, but I don't, because look, it's got this big tail down here I want to get out, but it is absolutely amazing. It looks like me as well, like her face. It's like my face if I was skinny and plastic. But I'm like, look, it's me. Like, this is me, like wide hips and all. But I love this. I think it's so cute, and I like really just want to hang it up somewhere. Like, I don't want to get her out, but I really want to get her out because of the tail and everything. I might do that now while I'm on camera. I can just slip her out of the bottom, and maybe I can like put her back in later, you know what I mean? Like, Well, I could keep her out like that, so that's okay. So let's unattach her from, they're like here. Yeah, so pretty much this is me with like my extensions in. She's so beautiful. I think this is so pretty and I'm so stoked. Like, you guys might think it's childish, but honestly, it's made my life. Like, this is beautiful. Like, look how pretty she is. She's got her little like crown and like, you know, her little body. I feel so silly being so excited by this, but look, it is me as a doll. It is terrifying. Like, the perfect brows, the perfect face. Me, bitch. And oh my god, I'm just so happy. Like, I think she's so gorgeous. Pull these things out of her head. Ugh. But yeah, thanks Mattel for making me. So let's pop her down here. And then also from my friend, I got a lip lounge voucher. This is from my friend Claudia, and that is pretty much a voucher to go make my own lipstick. And then the present that I got from Talia was in this beautiful case, and there's a whole bunch of like makeup inside, like fake lashes, lipsticks, phone cases, this powder which is like so dark compared to my face. Sometimes people underestimate how white I am. But yeah, that was pretty much. Oh, and my little sister got me this cute little bag, and she got me Gimme Brow because I've been wanting Gimme Brow for so long. I've got the old as Gimme Brow and I wanted the new one, so I've got the new one now, so I'm really excited. And she got my shade right, so that's wicked. So yeah, that was pretty much all of my gifts, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Grace, for my Build-A-Bear. I'm so happy. And everyone else that gave me gifts, like, thank you so much. Thank you everyone who wished me happy birthday. Thank you. Like, oh, but I am like obsessed with this Barbie. I want to plait her little hair and some little hair ties now, and like we can live out our mermaid lives together. Like, do you not think that this is me, honey? I'm like, I need to like Instagram compare and just be like, sorry. But anyway, I am so I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed. Thank you so much to everyone that's given me presents and wished me happy birthday. I'm so thankful, and I love you all, and I really hope that you guys have good birthdays. And you know, this is a year that I've actually had a really good birthday. Some years I just don't have good birthdays, and that's okay. If you don't have a good birthday, you struggle, you know, that kind of thing. I'm really blessed on this birthday that I've received so many gifts, and yeah, I'm just really happy. So thank you everyone, and this lighting's horrible for my face because I've just gone out and eaten 1,000 food and I feel like a hippo. But yeah, I love all of you guys so much. If you have any more requests on any more videos, then comment them down below. You guys know where the subscribe button is, and yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.